Hello, greetings to everybody. Welcome. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on which parts of the world you are joining from. This weekend, we have a very special event, and I wholeheartedly welcome each and everybody. Tonight is masterclass training, so get your notebooks out and pens, and let's grasp the essence of this event. For those who may not know me, my name is Gabriela and I'm from Hungary, and I have been part of this community for quite some time. I feel honored and privileged that I will be your host for this evening. Tonight is a very special night because we are having education and hands-on training straight away from a renowned rank leader and master trainer himself. Before we dive in, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all our new guests joining us for the first time. We are delighted to have you here, and we hope today's session gives you a deeper understanding of the immense potential and opportunities available within our business. I encourage you all to feel free to invite your friends and teammates and let us benefit from this event. Let us benefit all from this event. That's what I wish for you tonight. As I said, tonight's event is more than just a presentation. We are going to have a master training to deepen our understanding of not just the ecosystem, the wonderful products of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, but also we can hear about the marketing strategies that can help you build your team, helping your friends getting involved with our highly promising crypto business we offer. Please help me welcome the master trainer and rank leader, who is also an engineer, a successful businessman, and a crypto enthusiast from India. His dedication, leadership, and success continue to inspire us all. With that said, let's get ready to dive in. I encourage you all to stay engaged, take notes, and absorb as much value as possible. If you have questions, make sure to write them down, because at the end of this session, you will have the opportunity to get them answered. Now, without further ado, it's my absolute honor to introduce the master trainer of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, the one and only Trishit. Trishit, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Gabriela, and welcome everybody on this weekend call. I hope you all had a great week, and this is weekend call where we understand that learning is very important, knowledge is very important, and this weekend let's prepare ourselves with knowledge, with learning, so that we can move forward to the next week of business schedule. Welcome, everybody, especially the new people who are joining for the first time this master's training. So these trainings have been designed in a manner where we make the process, the project products and the project very simple. We are a part of an ecosystem which is provided by a fintech company, and our products are very exclusive, highly rewarding, but they are all technical products in which a little knowledge of crypto and blockchain, little practice of Web3 tools and platforms, and a great learning from this kind of master sessions. They make you well equipped. They make you resourceful to achieve the esteemed success with this project. So welcome everybody to the master training. I'll be the trainer tonight. I'm Trishit. I'm from India, and like Gabriela mentioned, I have been part of this project for a very long time, working with great minds like Chavez, working with great leaderships like Lucky and all the other rank leaders. I have the privilege to get a good insights on the products and projects, and that is what we are gonna be simplifying for you all so that you can make the most benefit from this master training. So going forward, let me first quickly run through the disclaimers so that we are all aligned on the same page.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
All right, so thank you for understanding the disclaimers. Your presence now onwards will ensure that you are acquainted with this disclaimers. So let us start with a quote that we always do. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. How well written this is. You can lose money, you can make wealth, you can lose an asset, you can create income. Anything is possible, but one thing is not possible, that is taking away your learnings from you. Nobody can take your learning away from you, and that is the base of success. That is the prerequisite of success. No earning without learning. I hope that you keep this in mind, and with that open mindset, you be a part of this training, specially designed and dedicated for you. Moving forward, there are some instructions, like this is going to be just a 40-minute of your attention that we request. Find pen and diary so that you can take notes, as well as you can jot down your questions. Use your real names while you are asking questions or while you are participating in this workshop. Keep your questions for the end. We will take a couple of questions from the community and participants, and limit your questions to topic. Only single questions allowed for the first time. If time permits, we will allow more questions from the same participants. Avoid multitasking so that you can be active and you can take the most of this training. Are we ready? All right. So let us begin this. So tonight's master training is going to be on Capital 3.0. Trust me when I say this to you, this is the only training you will require to get the concept of Capital 3.0. This is the only training you will require to get the essence of Capital 3.0. We will teach you, not teach you, we will share with you why, how, and where you can capitalize Capital 3.0. So if you are yet to invite your teammate, please do that. We will give you a couple of minutes as we dive into the further trainings. And this is going to be a recorded session. It will be available on YouTube, and our recording link will be provided to you through a specific channel. We have changed the roster. We have changed the way we are delivering presentations and trainings. And for that reason, stay towards the end of the session so that we can share this same presentation with which we are delivering this training to you all. This entire presentation will be provided as a resource to you so that you learn from this training, and then you can impart same training to your teams as well using the same resource that we are using right now. How amazing that would be. So if you want this resource, stay till the end of the training. All right, now let us move forward. Capital 3.0. It's an early access to crypto unicorn projects and AI disruptor. First of all, what is unicorn? Any company, any project, we are talking a value of at least 100 million. So any company, any project surpasses or, in a way, achieves a turnover of 100 million. It's called a unicorn project. So There are many projects in this, especially in this bull run, that have the potential of going unicorn. So Capital 3.0 gives you an early access to such potential unicorn projects. And of course, AI being the biggest game changer in this Web3 trends. So there are going to be many projects on the AI technology as well. So what Capital 3.0 is giving you is a privilege to participate early in the next potential unicorn projects and AI disruptors. So how this has been organized? Before we delve into that, let me give you a brief introduction of technology and how the actual wealth, or how the institutional fundings they work. First of all, there are technological revolutions. Internet, one of them, one of such revolutions. There are different technologies. They are either created, developed, or launched by some innovative, creative minds, and then they surpass into masses, and they become a revolutionary technology. They become a trend. So Android is a technology revolution. Internet is a technology revolution. And if we speak of internet, like it started back in 1990 when World Wide Web was introduced for the first time. There was an era, a decade maybe, where the information just started publishing on a online platform. Then we evolve into Web 2.0, where the information became data centric, and it was a decade of internet of communication. That's what we call Web 2.0. And in every evolutionary phase of a technology, there are some giants who capitalize on this kind of technical revolution. Like back in Web 1.0, we had Yahoo, MSN. In Web 2.0, we have Amazon, Google, Facebook. So Web 2.0 is called the era of data, where data became digital gold. And then we are right now into the Web 3.0 evolution of internet, and it is called decentralized internet of blockchain, where emphasis is on DeFi, AI, DeFi with AI, such kind of amazing trends that we are seeing in terms of Web 3.0 technologies. So if you exactly know where the entire world's money is going, right? Where the big giants, the kingmakers, the funds, the VCs, all this are putting their money. If you are anyway able to discover that in which technology the entire world's money is getting into, and if you blend with them, if you participate with them, there are chances that even you will make money, isn't it? So one thing is for sure, who benefits the most from this early trends in technology? It is the seeds, the funds, the VCs, the early investors who have the first hand information, who invest early, pre launch. Often they make lots of money with this trends in technology, revolutions in technology. So if you can identify where the entire world's money is getting shifted, right? And if you are able to identify the people who are putting their money, we are not talking about money as in few thousands of dollars. We are talking about potential investments into unicorn projects, right? So if you can anyway identify in which technology the money is getting into, and who is getting money into this technology, who is putting their money into these technologies, that way, if you follow these two trends, there are chances that even you will make money. But this is a privileged information. Do you know who is going to be the next Amazon in this Web 3.0? Do we know that? No, we don't. right? But how do you get that? How do you discover that? So there are public funds. These are all public funds, and they are public as in all their investments, their portfolios, where they are investing, everything is in the public domain. If you are able to track these funds, you will see where they are putting their money into, right? And this is historic data. So these are classic funds, the top tier funds, and then these are the unicorn projects. They are unicorn right now, but when they were launched, they were not unicorn. Like Solana, for being an example, it was introduced back in June 2018 when they started taking seed investments from funds like this. And back then, these funds were offered Solana coins at a very, very cheap value. We won't call it cheap, but at a very exclusive value of 20 cents. Just imagine if you would have got the chance to buy Solana at 20 cents. Right now, Solana is almost how much? I believe 197 or 196. And it went all-time high to 270, 223, I believe. And this is just a calculation. If Solana would have crossed $174, so this returns on capital, this returns on investment is at least 550x, 550 times. Terra, for example, introduced back in May 2018, it was offered to this funds at 10 cents. It went to $85, and this is a appreciation of 945 times. So can you see this? This is historic data, and it is all available on blockchain. If you want proof, I can help you with proofs as well. So there is a website, although we don't endorse this, but it's an informative website. It's called ICO Drops. So go to ICO Drops, and as you explore this ICO Drops website, it will give you seed funding information of almost all the major projects, or maybe the projects that are recently launched as well. We are always taking this example of Solana. So right now, here you can see Solana, and this is in public domain. Okay, you can explore this. So right now, Solana is 172, and over here we have a value of 174. So this is almost 550x. If anybody would have invested back in 2018 in Solana, it's a claim of 550 times, right? And if you explore this, so this is the information about all the seed rounds on Solana, right? And if you explore this, you can see these are all the funds, the venture capitalists who invested in Solana. So can you find multi-coin capital? Yes, you can find multi-coin capital over here. Can you find Electric Plus Capital? Can you find Block Tower? Block Tower Capital over here? Meta Stable. But yeah, you can explore this. I'm just taking an example. So this is not just an information. This is a publicly available information. So now do you realize if you get an opportunity to invest in parallel with these funds, there is quite a possibility that you might be investing in potential unicorn projects, and you may expect this kinds of potential profits, not just in a year, 6 months, maybe in near future. because this projects have potential of becoming unicorn. Now, how do you decide that? Because of the technology they are delivering, because of the use case they are delivering, because of the way they are making a change. They are delivering a change in terms of technology, right? So how this seed funding process is practically conducted. So there are seed funding rounds. So you can see there have been many seed funding rounds for Solana, right? It started back in 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 all as well. And overall, the total raised capital is 359 on Solana, right? So there are seed funding rounds where seed investors, they invest pre-launch, they invest early into the potential unicorn projects. Then there is deals in which these seeds are offered coins at a very low value. If you do this, okay, let me take this example. So see this fundraising history. So this is seed rounds, the first seed rounds where Solana was offered at merely $0.4. Then when the private testnet was launched, it was offered at $0.20. In the validator round, it was offered at 0.225 per token value, right? So this is the time when the allocations are secured. So investors, they position their investments. They are given a deal with a coin offering as well as with a vested timing. That means how they can cash out the coins allocated to them. So there is a vesting period also, which is very critical. So this is the exact phase where the deals are signed. And then the investors and the project, they both wait for token generation event. The token generation event, as in, let me show you over here. So the token distribution of Solana started in 2019, the first quarter of 2019, while it was launched at 2017. So often the seed investors might would have to wait for capitalizing on the launch event or to cash out their coins. Even after that, they are provided nowadays a wasting period so that they don't cash out the entire amount. They cash out in segments, in time frame, in time intervals, right? And then the investors, they leverage the market trend. They wait for value to appreciate, and that's how they benefit. So like if right now anybody who would have invested in Solana at 20 cents, and if they are cashing out right now, Solana is 172 times or $772, and that's almost 550 times. So this is the time when the investors, they leverage the market trend and they benefit from the value appreciation of that coin in which they have participated as funds, in which they have secured their allocation. So this is the entire process. And this same process we are also going to follow in Capital 3.0. So our URL is 3p0.capital. Okay. Now, anybody who would want to start their journey in Capital 3.0, so there are subscription values. They start with $100. We have 7 packages up to $50,000, and each package, forget about seed investing, each package offers 5 times of the subscription value as minimum assured returns. Okay. So how are we play around with this subscription? So what is the process? Now let's get into that. Let us say anybody who is subscribing a package of $1,000, package number 3 of $1,000, So with that $1,000, 65% goes into affiliate commissions, because this product is exclusively available as a part of affiliate marketing 3.0. So there are affiliate rewards that are distributed, and this is exactly the mistake that other projects they do, who are offering ROI. In most of the ROI plans, return on investment plans, you will find that the ROI is provided on the entire subscription value. But we are doing this in a different manner in Capital 3.0. So $1,000 invested or $1,000 bought as a subscription, 65%, that is $650, goes towards the affiliate rewards, and 35% is what we are left with. That is $350. And this is what exactly the management, Chavez, and his brilliant funds manager, they are able to invest into seed rounds, right? So this 35% of our subscription value goes into securing allocations. I hope this is clear to you all. But how do we benefit? How do we get 5 times value that has been assured with the subscription? So now let's get into that calculation. So this 35% is subjected to daily compounding of 2%. So with that 35% compounded 2% daily, it grows to 5 times. Or in other words, your 35% is compounded at 2% daily until you make 5x of your original value. So the 5x is assured by Capital 3.0. That means with every Capital 3.0 subscription, you are at least making 5x. And this 5x is being invested into the potential unicorn projects. And if that potential unicorn projects appreciates in value, maybe it grows 5x, 10x. So that is an additional advantage. But over here, 5x is assured. So you buy a subscription, your 35% of your subscription value becomes vested capital. This vested capital is compounded to 2% daily, and this continues until you make 5x of the original subscription value. This is how 5x ROC is achieved. Same thing in a graphical format. $1,000, you buy a subscription, vested capital 35%, that is $350. It keeps on compounding until you receive 5x of the original package. But there is a catch. There is a catch. This compounding rewards are not in USDT or USDC. This compounding rewards are specially in token 3.0, which is a stable coin specifically designed for this project, and our seed funding gets allocated using this token 3.0. That means even if you are having any single token 3.0, that's a seed investment for you. So let me help you understand this token 3.0. First of all, as this cycle is completed by 5x, you have an option to either rebuy the package or buy a higher package. One thing as an affiliate you must understand, or you must also mention this to your clients, that you buy any package. Now it is not possible to in your next subscription or you're in a resubscription to buy a package of low value. So your last package value, the last subscription value becomes your next, or higher than that becomes your next resubscription value. So this is how this compounding cycle has been designed. So you compound until you make 5x of your original subscription package. Now, what is token 3.0? So token 3.0 at $1 value, these seed tokens are invested in potential unicorn projects. So all your seed investments, they go into unicorn projects from this token 3.0. So the compounding rewards are received in token 3.0. Token 3.0 are then tokenized and they go into seed investments through a DAO. What is DAO? I will explain. So this is pretty simple, right? Your compounding rewards in token 3.0, whatever you accumulate over here, goes into the next unicorn projects through a DAO. All right. Now, so just imagine if Capital 3.0 was available back in 2018, 2020, 2017. So even we would have got a chance to invest early into projects like Solana, Terra, Axie Infinity, Polkadot. And this is just an example over here. Like you see, Solana almost gave 550 times returns on capital. And similar thing for Terra, almost 945 times returns. So imagine if you would have accumulated over here just 25 token 3.0. In this section, if you would have accumulated 25 token 3.0, and if this 25 token 3.0 would have been invested in a project like Terra at seed rounds 0.10, so you might would have received 250 Terra coins, right? As your allocation, as your returns on investment, right? So this Terra coin, if they went to $85 from 10 cents, your profit is almost 21,250 as returns on capital. Can you see this? So again, I'll repeat this. Your subscription gets 5x in token 3.0 over here, right? You receive 5x. Let's say your 5x is 25 and you participated in a project like Terra right at the seed rounds and received Terra coins at 10 cents each. So with 25 token 3.0, now 25 is actually $25 value, right? You can see over here, token 3.0 is a stable coin of $1. So that means any token 3.0 you have, it has a dollar value. That means a dollar value available for you to invest into potential unicorn projects. So over here, you can see 250 Terra coins. 250 Terra coins into $85 value, right? 945 times return. So on $25, you are getting $21,000. Again, same thing for Axie Infinity. Now this is just, we are taking example from the prehistoric data. This data is available on the blockchain, right? So we are just taking an example. If Capital 3.0 would have been available back in June 2018 or May 2020 or October 2017, like for Axie Infinity, 25 token 3.0 at $0.08 would have given you 312 Axie coins. 312 at $96 would have given you a return on capital of almost $29,952. So these returns are not spontaneous. These returns are not in a couple of months or couple of years. It would have taken 3 to 4 years to get this kind of returns. But even if with a minimum investment value, you are getting this kind of crazy returns, I think it is worth the value, worth a try. No promises are made because you cannot, whatever this potential unicorn projects are bought to you are through a systematic technical team, but still no promises are made, and this is just an example. All right, so the 5x claim, now let's how we can discuss this. So the $1,000 value gives you a claim of $500 value, but this $5,000 value, but this $5,000 is in token 3.0, right? But now this is for investors. But what about affiliate? Because this product is available in affiliate marketing. right? So whatever your 5x claim is, you can claim in token 3.0 as well as in affiliate rewards. So that means as you buy the subscription, of Capital 3.0 on in WAAS back office, let me show you. Give me 1 minute. And here we go. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So now you can see over here. So this is your Capital 3.0 subscription wallet, and this is your income wallet, and this is your token 3.0 wallet. So you accumulate rewards over here through compounding in token 3.0. So these are all your rewards. But the best part is, along with the rewards, you can claim affiliate rewards as well. So this compounding rewards are in token 3.0. This is where you accumulate token 3.0, as well as you claim affiliate rewards as well. So as you purchase the subscription, you get a potential income of 5x. That's your 5x returns. But this 5x can be claimed in token 3.0 as well as in affiliate rewards. So that's what has been described over here. So your 5x claim from any subscription can be claimed in token 3.0 for future investments. Now, let us say like $1,000 gives you $5,000. So 1,500 might be in token 3.0. And in affiliate rewards, you would have claimed 3,500. That is in pure USDT TRC20. So this is an advantage of Capital 3.0, which gives you a leverage to make 5x in daily cash flow as well as in future investments. So 5x claims in token 3.0 plus affiliate rewards. And if you don't want to do affiliate, that is perfectly fine, because your 35% will be compounded at 2% daily by default. You are either way gonna achieve 5x. Then this 5x, it goes into potential unicorn projects, and you receive benefits as the project appreciates, right? Now there is a DAO perspective. Why DAO? And what is DAO? So DAO is decentralized autonomous organization. So there is a special smart contracts which govern how a project is conducted. And in that project, this smart contract is governed by a governance token, right? So why Chavez introduced this DAO into Capital 3.0? To give transparency, to give credibility, and to make this project absolutely decentralized, to make us feel more confident, more transparent with Capital 3.0. And so the DAO perspective makes Capital 3.0 absolutely decentralized. And this is a transition from a centralized project where we are taking investments in central finance, and we are investing into the unicorn projects through a decentralized platform, through a DAO. So whatever token 3.0 you have, on your WAAS back office, like here, whatever tokens you have, so whatever token you have in your token 3.0 wallet, this are withdrawn from here and you receive C30 DAO token. So that's how these coins are tokenized into decentralized coins. All right. So how do you subscribe to Capital 3.0? So there is a affiliate program attached to this Capital 3.0, and of course, to participate, you need to have a affiliate marketing 3.0 account for which you require a sponsor. So as you create an account in your back office, you can go to subscriptions, and with your crypto deposits, you can buy Capital 3.0 packages. All right. So any package you buy offers you 65% that goes into network distribution, and 35% becomes your vested capital and the potential earning of 5x, 5 times, that is on your subscription value. But that is through 2% daily compounding. And meanwhile, if you are able to affiliate, if you are able to network to build your structure, there are chances that you might withdraw the 5x potential in your affiliate rewards as well. So that way you claim 5x faster compared to institutional investors. All right. So as you buy the package, you see in your subscription history the timestamp, right? And right at the subscription, buying the subscription, you are requested to submit a Solana Phantom wallet. So anybody who buys Capital 3.0, they provide a Solana Phantom wallet. Why Solana? Because we invest into unicorn projects through a DAO, and this DAO 3p0.capital, this DAO is designed on Solana blockchain, and Phantom wallet is one of the best wallet for Solana blockchain. So if you are interested in buying a Capital 3.0, you must prepare a Solana Phantom wallet address. You must have a Solana Phantom wallet. And right here, you need to submit your Solana wallet address at the time of buying subscription. So you can see over here on this account, there is a Solana address attached. So whatever withdrawal you do from token 3.0 wallet, right? Here, this is token 3.0, and you are investing into unicorn projects, but that is through DAO. So here comes DAO in between. Right? And your token 3.0 are tokenized into DAO tokens. This is the governance token of Capital 3.0 DAO. All right. So anything you withdraw from your WAAS back office token 3.0 wallet, this goes to DAO in equal value of Capital 3.0 DAO token. So we had first allocation of ETHFINA, in which on 6th of December, whatever token 3.0 you would have accumulated, 25% of that would have been withdrawn from here, and that you would have received in Capital 3.0 token on your Solana Phantom address. So right now, as you can see, 570 was withdrawn. Sorry, 570 was the number of tokens I had back on 6th of December. And from this, 25%, that is 139.8866 was withdrawn. So this is almost $140, 140 Capital 3.0 token. Let me switch to the wallet. So you can see I have voted tokens of 140 value. How did we reach to this voted token? I'll explain. But first of all, as you accumulate token 3.0, at any instance, when the allocation is ready for participation, your token 3.0 are withdrawn. And from this token 3.0, you participate into DAO, and it starts with simple C30 DAO tokens. So 140 withdrawn from here, 140 withdrawn from here in token 3.0, you received 140 C30 DAO tokens. Okay. So now you are on DAO. Now you are ready for allocations. You are ready for participating in potential unicorn projects. Okay. Now your part over here in the WAAS back office is completed. Meanwhile, as you have participated in the first allocation, your next compounding gets reduced because this many token have been reduced for your next compounding cycle. But your compounding still continues because you still have 5x to be claimed. This was just one allocation, and you are still left with 5x to be claimed. This can be claimed in affiliate rewards, or your compounding will still continue, right? So as you keep on participating in allocations, your compounding cycle still continues, although it will be a bit slower, and you will also have a chance to claim affiliate rewards if you are left with 5x. Okay, so now let's get on to the DAO perspective. Now, what happens on DAO? And what is DAO? I have already explained. This is our DAO URL. Let me share that in the chat box. All right. So this is the DAO URL, capital 3.0 DAO URL. And on this, you can find the white paper. Please go through this. It has all the information. And right here, you have an option to get onto the dApp. So now this project from being a centralized project, it has now been converted into a decentralized project. And that's how we are going to be participating in the unicorn allocations. So on the dApp, you have an option to connect your Phantom Solana wallet. As you connect, now you have received C30 DAO token over here, right? 140 was withdrawn from token 3.0 and you received C30 DAO token. So with C30 DAO token, you are now ready to participate in the allocations in the project. So as the projects are available, right on the dApp, when you connect your wallet and you have C30 DAO tokens, you are able to vote, and that's how you show your interest, your readiness, your willingness to participate in that project, which is available. Again, I'll repeat. Now, token 3.0 withdrawn from token 3.0 wallet, you received equal number of C30 DAO token on Solana Phantom wallet. With this Solana C30 DAO tokens, you are now participating in the next allocation. And right now on the dApp, in the first section where it says participate, you vote. You vote with 140 tokens that you received. Right? And as you vote, this C30 DAO tokens, they get burned and you receive equal number of C30 staked C30 DAO tokens. So that means now over here, you are this shows your intentions, and this is how you will invest into the project. So now your C30 DAO token gets burned and you receive equal number of staked C30 DAO tokens, right? So 140 withdrawn from here, you receive 140 in C30 DAO tokens. And as you participate, you get equal number of staked C30 DAO tokens. Right? 140 from here, 140, 140, 140. Your dollar value remains the same across this transition. Okay? And then right here, as you scroll, when the actual allocation is ready, you use your staked C30 DAO tokens to vote on the allocation. This is how you participate in the seed funding. And this is the exact stage where you are buying your next unicorn project tokens. Right? So you remember we had our first allocation as ETHFINA, right? And ETHFINA is a Ethereum-based project based on Ethereum blockchain. So for that reason, whenever you will receive ETHFINA, you will be required to work on Ethereum blockchain. And for that reason, when you were asked to vote, right, you were requested to submit a ERC20 wallet address. And this would be the exact address on which you will receive project tokens. So what are the project tokens over here? ETHFINA coins. Is it clear to you all? So you remember when you had participated in ETHFINA, it requested you, right, at this section, it requested you to submit your ERC20 wallet address. And as you submitted your ERC20 wallet address, you participated with your stake C30 DAO token, you voted, and that's how on your behalf, from with $140 value, ETHFINA coins were purchased right here. And as a token of acknowledgement, you receive voted tokens in your Solana Phantom wallet. So now can you see the transition from here? From this you get 5x token 3.0 over here. This token 3.0 will be available for allocation, and as you withdraw this, you receive equal number of C30 DAO token. With C30 DAO token, you show your readiness by voting on a project. As you vote, your C30 DAO tokens get burned and they are swapped to staked C30 DAO tokens. With staked C30 DAO token, you participate in the project and you receive voted tokens. So these voted tokens are practically acknowledgement of your participation in the allocation. Okay, is it clear to you all? Okay, so over here, when you voted on the project, when you participated in the project, so you practically bought ETHFINA coins and you received voted tokens. So right now on this wallet, can you see 140 voted tokens over here? So this 140 voted tokens are acknowledgement that I have participated in the first project, ETHFINA, and I will receive ETHFINA coins of $140 value, right? So token 3.0, 140, as it's $1 value. So this equals $140. Right? So from token 3.0 to C30 DAO token, how many numbers? 140 each. As you participate, you receive staked C30 DAO token. How much? Same number. And from this, as you vote on the project, you buy ETHFINA coins by submitting your ERC20 wallet, and you bought ETHFINA coins. Although you don't directly buy it, but at the back end, Capital 3.0 is doing that for you. And from here, you received voted tokens. And these voted tokens are practically acknowledgement that you have participated in ETHFINA project with $140. So this is $140 which you have invested in ETHFINA, right? And whenever this project will be in its TGE, that is token generation event, you will receive ETHFINA coins. Now for ETHFINA, the coins are available for claims across 24 months. So that's our vested period to claim ETHFINA coins. So most probably the value of ETHFINA which we participated with is $0.026 value for ETHFINA. So we bought ETHFINA at $0.026. So let's say how much was the dollar value for us that we participated with? That was 140 divided by 0.026. So that's almost 5,384 total ETHFINA coins with $140. And ETHFINA we buy at 0.026. It can be less or more, somewhere between 0.025 to 0.027, right? We are considering an average value. So now you have total ETHFINA coins. How much number? 5,384. And this we will receive across 24 months. So that means that would be divided by 24. So that would be 224 ETHFINA coins every month. For the next 24 months. So if you want to claim ETHFINA, the claim already has started. So you go to ethfina.com, you connect your wallet, which you had submitted at the time of voting. And as you connect, it will ask you to check the eligibility. I think there is some work going on ETHFINA. So this would, I had a challenge with this, but I can show you the screen. How does a claim screen look like? Give me 1 second. So this screen, this claim screen looks something like this, in which you have this total claim and you have 24 months of vesting period, and you have a claim value that you will receive every month. And depending on your first claim, every month on the same date and exact at the same time, you will have the next ITFINA claim available on this claim window. All right. So this is how this entire project has been designed. And this was for ITFINA. I hope this is clear to you all, right? Same thing happened with COI. Let me take the COI example as well so that you are clear with everything now. So same thing happened with COI. COI was our second allocation, right? And COI has its own blockchain. And for that reason, we all were asked to deposit, to submit our Finny wallet address, right? So that supports coin, and you will receive COI token, right? And this, and right on the Solana Phantom wallet, as you can see, my second voted token. This is your Finny wallet. And over here, you can see 30 voted tokens. So that's my participation in COI allocation on this wallet, right? Same thing happened, but instead of this claim option on ITFINA, COI coins are add dropped. So you can see this COI coins were add dropped. So you'd receive them directly in your wallet instead of claim, right? And the vesting period for COI is 9 months. So that means we will receive same number of coins, and the allocation value of COI is $0.0125. Okay. So you receive COI coins at this value, and you receive whatever you have deposited or whatever you have participated with in token 3.0. You will buy COI at this total COI coin, and spread across 9 months, you will be receiving airdrops of same value every 9 months. So this is all about Capital 3.0, and I think we have so far been able to deliver the best narrative of Capital 3.0 with all the technical details and everything. And it's pretty simple. You participate with Capital 3.0. It's not like a traditional investment. It's like a very systematic investment, of course. And token 3.0, you receive as compounding rewards. Your compounding continues until you make 5x. And after 5x, you either buy with the last subscription value or more than that, and you can claim this 5x in affiliate rewards as well. So this is all about Capital 3.0. Thank you so much for joining this call, and I hope we were able to deliver value. And I hope that with this training, you would have much clarity on Capital 3.0. It's a promising project. Of course, it's a very rewarding product, but it's a systematic investments. So you need to be patient with that. All right. That will be all from the master training. Gabriela, back to you. And thank you everyone
Wow.
for participating.
What an excellent session we just had. The more we hear, the more we understand, and we can all agree on that. Trashit, you continue to amaze us with your expertise and clear explanation. Your new presentation is top of the line for sure. It's always uplifting to learn from you. Our community can grow big if we have such inspiring educational sessions. Thank you, Trashit. Are you ready to take questions?
Yes, a couple of questions we can take, but just limited to a couple of questions. The questions must be related to the topic. I'm not in a privileged position to answer any other except for Capital 3.0. And of course, the human face should be on.
Yes. So, dear participants, if you have questions, please raise your virtual hands and start your videos. In order to ask your questions, we must see a human face. Also, one question per raised hand, please. And I will kindly ask you to unmute. Okay. Let's start with Danny T.
Hi, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Rashid. I have a question. Last night I tried to claim my here's Zaki, although I'm using a different username. Last night I tried to claim my my 3.0 tokens, but I got a response. I mean, a response like that. I'm not eligible. What is the reason? Can you help me on this point?
Okay, Mr. Danny, there could be two reasons. Either you are using a incorrect ERC20 wallet that you had submitted at the time of participating in the location. That could be one reason. If you are very sure that your wallet address is correct, then we also have in our teams and other teams instances where people are using the correct wallet, but they are still finding themselves not eligible. So for that, there is an option right on the claim website. You can see a feedback form. So there on the feedback form, like when you go to the claim website and you see you're not eligible, but there is an option to submit feedback, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you submit feedback, it asks you for a Solana wallet address. So use the same Solana wallet address which you had submitted on the WAAS account, and with that, you will be you can next put in your new ERC20 wallet or the same ERC20 wallet. And please give some time. Chavez has already assured he is in conversation with the ETHFINA team, and they will be resolving these issues very soon. So right now, all I can recommend you is submit a feedback form, submit the correct Solana wallet address, which is on your WAAS back office, and that way they can either connect your new ERC20 wallet address or your old, which you had submitted, to your Solana and help you with the claim. All right.
Do I submit an Ethereum address or in TRC20 address?
So it will ask you for two addresses. One is your Solana Phantom wallet address, and the other is ERC20 wallet address. So Solana Phantom wallet address is the same address which you had submitted on your WAAS back office. If you can go to your WAAS back office, on the top right section, you will find your Solana wallet address associated with your Capital 3.0 account. So submit that Solana Phantom wallet address. And next, for ERC, either you can submit a new wallet or you can use the wallet address which you feel is the correct that you had submitted. Okay. Thank you.
And where is the feedback you have mentioned? Is it
on the
in
claim,
the
ETHFINA claim? I don't know. I wasn't able to open the claim website. I don't know what the exact reason is, but when you will be able to open that claim website, go to ethfina.com, go to claim from the menu, and on that claim where you check your eligible claim, on that you will have a feedback option.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Danny.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks. Have a nice time.
Thank you. Thank you for the question.
And Gabrielia, we are limited to this 3 more participants.
Yes. So the next participant is Abdel from Libya. Please go ahead and unmute.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Rashid. Thank
Hello.
you so much for your training. You're amazing all the time. You're amazing. Very quick question, Rashid. You know, I missed the first allocation because I didn't buy any packages. So I bought a second. I bought right away after location one. I bought a package, and I was very excited. I was waiting for the second location, and all of a sudden I missed it. How can I miss it if I bought a package? Do I have to claim or register for the second allocation, or then automatically they withdraw the tokens from the?
So, Mr.
wallet?
Abdel, are you able to see the withdrawal in your Capital 3.0 token 3.0 wallet?
When I click on view details, on the top I see a bunch of dates.
You
Like
go
I see dates.
just a second.
Is that the one that you're referring to?
Just a second. Let me walk you through. Okay, I need to open
As
account.
you know, like I was okay.
So right in your token 3.0, when you go to available to swap,
Yes.
you will see the withdrawal history. Are you able to see that?
Yeah, available to swap.
Available to is there a
No,
swap history?
Confirmed description, balance. I see something, but it's not very clear. I have to make it bigger. Yeah, TXD. There's something, looks like something happening.
You can see on my screen right now.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, I can see. I saw one like that. I have one.
So that means you would have participated. Which is the date? 13th of January or 6th of December?
No, 13th of January.
6th of January.
No, 13 says.
Yeah, so you participated in the COI allocation, but you did not in the. I think you started late.
Okay.
Yeah, so ETHFINA will be available again, like Chavez has mentioned in recent Wednesday call or Friday call. So maybe then you will be able to participate in ETHFINA.
And COI is too late for COI.
No, COI, you already have a swap history. So you would have.
But I never voted. I never did any voting.
If you didn't do voting, then how will you participate? Come on, man. So you would have C30 DAO token on your Phantom wallet.
Okay. I'll go to Phantom Wallet and verify.
Come on the Thursday sessions, please. Or we are floating a
okay
Q&A form as well, where we will be able to assist you. Please submit your details.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect.
I
appreciate it,
request
Rashid. Thank
to
you.
submit the Q&A, weekly Q&A form if you have that.
Okay.
Thank you, Abdul.
Do that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Have a good day, guys.
Welcome.
Thank you. Yes. Our last participant for asking a question will be Robert M. Please go ahead and unmute.
Yeah, thank you very much. And Rashid, I'm very glad I'm very proud of your job. I have ST DAO token still sitting on my Phantom wallet. Does it mean that I don't have to do something, or I didn't vote, or what? Are you hearing me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, I'm saying that I still have ST DAO tokens sitting on my Phantom wallet.
How many?
I think there are, I cannot remember how many there are, but there are many. There are more than 50.
So you did not vote it on the allocations. So please go through the entire process again. Go through this recording and check.
I check the voting process.
So you need to go through the same process. You need to revise this entire thing, this entire training, and see where exactly you participated and where you did not.
Okay.
Or maybe seek help of your sponsor, seek help of your upline or a rank leader. They will be able to help you to see that personally.
All right. Thank you very much.
Gabriela, we will take question from Emmy if she has.
Yes. Emmy, please go ahead and unmute.
Yes, hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, my question is, I missed the Tina and Koi. If I want to buy now, do we know already the next allocation? What coins are?
About the next allocation, Chavez will brief. Right now, the entire market is in a way recovering. The entire crypto market is not in a good position. So most of the TGEs are delayed. So for that reason, we would have to wait for some time for the next allocation, and as it will be ready, Chavez will announce.
So how do we know? Do we get a notification or do
You
I
attend
have to see
Chavez's
it on
Wednesday call and
WAAS?
Friday calls. Emmy.
Okay, so
That's
I
where
have to
Chavez
be on
is.
Zoom. Okay,
That's where Chavez updates everything.
okay, thank you.
All right. So, Gabriela, I will have to take a leave because I'm traveling. As you know, I especially made sure that I conduct this training. Just ask Nonike to submit the feedback form. We would like to hear a review on this presentations and all the other presentations. And please conclude the session. Thank you, Gabriela. Thank you, all the co-hosts. And thank you, all the wonderful participants. Wish you all the best.
So as we conclude these sessions, I want to take a moment to recognize and appreciate Rashid for his mentorship and inspiration. You bring this to the community absolutely amazing. And of course, a massive thank you to each and every one of you, our wonderful participants. Your presence, engagement, and enthusiasm make this webinar truly special. Today's session wasn't just about information, it was about transformation. The real magic happens when we take what we've learned and put it into action. So let's take the next step with confidence, implement the insights we've gained, and work towards the success we all deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our event for tonight. Have an amazing day ahead, and thank you very much for you all.